So, since this is a psychology channel, I thought it'd be fitting to actually talk about the human psyche, and even more so, the human brain. We know a lot about our brain nowadays, but that's also because there's quite a lot to find, and even more yet to still discover. If we compare today's computers against our brain, a computer doesn't even come close to what our brain can do. Our brain can do a lot of things. In an effort to mimic this digitally, however, scientists a few years ago needed more than 82,000 processors running on one of the world's fastest supercomputers to mimic just 1 second of a normal human's brain activity. But what exactly is human brain activity? And what's the human brain in general? Well, over the ages, the human brain has developed due to evolution into several different layers. We have our reptilian brain, the part responsible for our primal urges. The fact that we experience thirst, lust, and are so keen on survival. That part of our brain represents our instinct. And above that, we have our mammalian brain, which is focused on perception, behavioral sequences, reflexes, emotions. It's the part we use to monitor our eyes and ears, and is responsible for basic emotions like love, anger, and sadness, which is the reason why your pet Fido feels love and loyalty towards you, because of its mammalian brain. And then the top layer above that is our neocortex. And this is the part of our brain that sets us aside from any other species on the planet. Well, apart from a dolphin species known as the long-finned pilot whales, which is also one of the main reasons why dolphins are considered to be quite smart as well. Our neocortex is at the outer layer of the cerebrum, the part of the brain containing the cerebral cortex, which is our mammalian brain. It's basically the outermost layer and newest part of our brain. It's responsible for higher order brain functions such as sensory perception, cognition of motor commands, and spatial reasoning and language. Some people would argue that this is the part of the brain that actually makes us civilized to some extent. So, now that we know the basic regions of the brain, we can get deeper into their functions. The next video will be focused on our reptilian brain, the brainstem, and all the functions that come along with it. I hope you learned something today. Till next time, and see ya!